Hi guys, welcome to Only English Literature, and in this video we are going to talk about the Restoration period writers. First that comes in the chronological order is Izaak Walton. His birth year is 1593 and his works are The Lives of Sir Henry Wotton 1651, Richard Hooker 1665, George Herbert 1670. He wrote an elegy on John Donne in the year 1633 and later a biography, The Life and Death of Dr. Donne 1640. His popular work is The Complete Angler 1653. Second is Edmund Waller 1606 to 1687. His works are Go Lovely Rose 1645, On a Girdle of the last verses in the book Marriage a la Mode, Assignation and Amboina 1673, Go Lovely Rose 1645. Number third is Edward Hyde. His work is History of the Rebellion, published in the year 1702 and 1704. Samuel Butler 1612 to 1680. His works are Hudibras 1663 and Elephant in the Moon 1676. Next is Roger L. Strange. His birth year is 1616. His works are Aesop's Fable 1692 and the works of Josephus 1702. John Evelyn 1620 to 1706. His works are Sculptura 1662, Silva 1664, Diary 1818. Next is Andrew Marvell, a poet whose works are To His Coy Mistress, The Garden upon Appleton House. Next is John Bunyan 1628 to 1688. His works are Grace Abounding to the Chief of Sinners 1666, The Pilgrim's Progress 1678, and the second one was published in the year 1684, and the last work is The Holy War 1682. Number 9 is John Dryden 1631 to 1700. There are a lot of works by him. Let's discuss. First work is Upon the Death of the Lord Hastings 1649, Heroic Stanzas 1659, Astrea Redux 1660, To His Sacred Majesty and to My Lord Chancellor 1661, The Rival Ladies and the Indian Queen 1664, Annus Mirabilis and the Indian Emperor 1667, of dramatic poesy, Secret Love, Sir Martin Marolles, and Evening's Love and the Wild Gallant in the year 1668, The Tempest, an adaptation, Tyrannic Love and the Conquest of Granada in the year 1670, Notes and Observations, Aurangzeb and the State of Innocence in the year 1674, All for Love, Oedipus, Troilus and Cressida, Mr. Limberham and Ovid's Epistles in the year 1678, Absalom and Achitophel, The Spanish Friar and His Majesty's Declaration defended 1681, The Medal, Macflecknoe and Religio Lacey in the year 1682, The Duke of Guise, Miscellany Poems, Threnodiia, Augustulis and Albion and Albanius in the year 1683, Silva, The Hind and the Panther, A Song for St. Cecilia's Day and Britannia Rediviva in the year 1685, Don Sebastian, Amphitryon, King Arthur, Cleomenes and Eleonora in the year 1690, Satires of Juvenal and Persius, Examen and many others in the year 1693, the works of Virgil, Alexander's Feast and Fables, Ancient and Modern in the year 1697. That's a lot. Next is John Locke. In the year 1632 is the birth year and his works are An Essay Concerning Human Understanding in the year 1689, Two Treatises of Government 1690. Next is Anthony Wood. His birth year 1632 and his works are Historia et Antiquitas Universitatis Oxoniensis 1674, Athenae Oxoniensis 1691 to 92. Samuel Pepys is the next writer. His birth year is 1633. The Diary of Samuel Pepys, kept under 1660 and 1669, then published in the year 1825. Thomas Pratt, his birth year is 1635. His only work is History of the Royal Society of London that was published in the year 1667. George Etheridge, very important writer from the Nate point of view. His works are The Comical Revenge or Love in a Tub in the year 1664, She Would If She Could 1668, The Man of Mood 1676. Charles Sackville, his birth year is 1638 and his work is To All You Ladies Now at Land 1665, his only poem. Sir Charles Sedley, his work is Bellamira that was published in the year 1687, and then Afraben. Her works are The Forced Marriage Play 1670, Amorous Prince 1671, The Dutch Lover Play 1673, Abdelaziz or The Moor's Revenge 1676, The Town Folk Play 1676, The Rover or The Banished Cavaliers, a play that was published in the year 1677, The Counterfeit Bridegroom, a play in the year 1677, The Rover 1677, Sir Patient Fancy, a play in the year 1678, The Faint Courtesans or A Knight's Intrigue in the year 1679, The Young King, play in the year 1679, Orinoco 1688. Next is William Wycherley. His birth year is 1641. His works are Love in a Wood 1671, The Country Wife 1675, The Plain Dealer 1676. Next is John Crown. His birth year is 1641. His works are The Country Wit 1675, City Politics 1683, Sir Courtly Nice 1685. Next, Thomas Shadwell. His works are The Sullen Lover 1668 and Epsom Wells 1672, embodied the comedy of humor tradition influenced by Ben Jonson. Next up is Thomas Rhymer. In the year 1641, his works are Fodera, collection of English treatises in the year 1704, The Tragedies of the Last Age 1678, A Short View of Tragedy 1693. Next is John Wilmot, 2nd Earl of Rochester. In the birth year is 1647. His works are A Satire Against Reason and Mankind, The Disable Debauchee, The Imperfect Enjoyment. Next is Jeremy Collier, 1650. His works are A Short View of the Immortality and Profaneness of the English Stage in the year 1698. Next is Thomas Otway, 1652 to 1685. His works are The Orphan 1680, Venice Preserved 1682. Nahum Tate, in the year he was born, is 1652 and his work is The History of King Lear, a new version of the Psalms of David, libretto for Dido and Aeneas. Next is John Oldham, in the year 1653, and his work is Satires upon the Jesuits 1681. Next is Thomas Durfee, 1653. His work is Wit and Mirth or Pills to Purge Melancholy, and it was published in the year 1719. Next is Nathaniel Lee, 1649, and his work is The Rival Queens, Lucius Junius Brutus, Oedipus. Sir Richard Blackmore, 1654 to 1729. His works are Prince Arthur, 1695, King Arthur, 1697, Creation, 1712. Next is Edward Ravenscroft. His works are Mamouchi, The Careless Lovers, The London Cuckolds. Next is Thomas Southern. His work is The Fatal Marriage, 1694. Next is Sir John Vanbrugh. His birth year is 1664. His works are The Relapse, The Provoked Wife, Buckingham Palace, Castle Howard. Next is Matthew Prior. His birth year is 1664 and his works are Poems on Several Occasions, 1709, Solomon on the Vanity of the World, 1718. Next is Charles Gildon, A Comparison Between the Two Stages, 1702, The Life of Mr. Thomas Betterton, 1710, The Complete Art of Poetry, 1718. Next writer is William Wharton, and his only work is A New History of Ecclesiastical Writers that was published in the year 1692. John Pomfret, his only work is The Choice, 1700, that was in the year it was published in. Next is Susanna St. Lever. Her works are The Busybody, 1709, The Wonder, A Woman Keeps a Secret, 1714. A Bold Stroke for a Wife, 1718. Next up is William Congreve. His works are Incognita or Love and Duty Reconciled, 1692. The Old Bachelor, 1693. The Double Dealer, 1693. Love for Love, 1695. The Mourning Bride, 1697. The Way of the World, 1700. The Judgment of Paris, 1701. And Semele, 1707. Next writer is Colley Cibber. His works are Love's Last Shift, 1696. The Careless Husband, 1704. An Apology for the Life of Mr. Colley Cibber, 1740. The last one is from the Restoration period is George Farquhar. The works are The Recruiting Officer, 1706. The Buick Stratagem, 1707.